What is up, guys? Redstone Element here for a video, and today we're going to be playing Dumb Ways to Die 2, the games. So, you might recognize my voice. My voice is Fall Nation for the Win. That's my second channel. I'm going to put my second channel in a link in the description below. So, let's get into this game. Play. Let's go. Safety. I solemnly swear not to do dumb stuff around trains. Drown town. Shark jumping. Running beside the pool. Alright, let's do this. Don't run. Oops. I will get this. Get away. What the? No. Rush. Rush. Oh. Oh, no. Oh, man. That was it. That sucked. Play again. Okay. That beaten. Next. Faster. Rush. No, you don't. Yes. Jump. Faster. Gotcha. No, get back in. Oh, no. You won't get me. Yes. Oh, yes. Roll to tap. Oh. Oh, that was so close. No. Oh. Okay, guys, that was part 1 of Dumb Ways to Die 2. So yeah, I'll see you. That was the first episode. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.